Good evening everybody. Today I am here back with a new video of ABB drives. Today I will teach you how to start a motor from a display. Here I have powered up this drive. Now you can see the display showing 0.0 hertz. Again you will scroll this, you can see ampere, and again you can scroll this, you can see a torque which is shown in percentage. Over here you can see a local, this drive is in local mode. If you press this, you will see a remote, REM. REM means remote. This drive will be controlled via digital inputs output signal. But today I will show how to control a drive with this display. So I will turn this mode to local mode. See, LOC means local. Here you can see a local mode. Here output, and here you can see a blinking of forward wise. It means drive is in forward. If you want to reverse the direction of motor, you can press this symbol. So you can see this reverse is blinking. It means that the polarity of this drive is changed from output. Now first, one by one I will show you how to change direction and start. First I will show you in forward direction. This is the main screen. Now I will select the reference for this motor. Enter. You will see a REF means reference. Again you enter, you will go in 0.0 hertz means now you will select a reference for this motor. I will give a command of 25 hertz. Okay, now it's a 25 hertz I have selected, and I will press enter, and again back to exit value and come to a main screen. Now I will select a start command to start the motor and stop command to stop a motor. Now I will start the motor, and you will see that speed of motor will be increased. See. Now I will show you how to decrease the motor speed. While the drive is running, go to the enter button, REF, and decrease the speed from down button. Now you can see that motor speed will be decreased. Now its display is 6.2 hertz, and motor, you can see the motor is revolving in slow speed. Now come back to the screen, and I will show how to see ampere of motor. Scroll this up button, you can see a 4.4 ampere is showing, and torque is 16.6% torque. It means the motor is in unload condition, so the torque is very slow. Now I will stop the motor. The values becomes 0.0 hertz means it is stopped. Now I will show a reverse direction, how to start in reverse direction. I will press this button and see a reverse direction will be blinking. Now start the command. The direction of the motor is reverse, but you can't see. But I will show you how this motor is reverse. I am now stopping this motor. The motor direction is anti-clockwise. Now giving a forward direction, and start command with a low speed, so you can see the actual direction of the motor. See, this is in clockwise direction. Now I will reverse the direction. While reversing the direction, you will always have to stop the drive. Otherwise, if you change in running direction, the overcurrent fault will be appear. Now I am going to reverse the direction and start the. Now it will in anti-clockwise. See, this is in anti-clockwise. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you will share and like this video. Thank you.